Good morning, Killenly High. I'm Sidalit Sivan, and welcome back to another year of KTV.
Spooky season is right around the corner. Make sure to stay safe and have fun.
The Student Council is hosting a pumpkin carving competition where you can carve your own jack-o'-lantern and have it compete against other creations.
Pumpkins cost $10 in the calf starting October 21st going until the 25th. Make sure you get on the Halloween festivities. Pumpkin pickup will be on October 29th and will be judged at this year's homecoming football game.
Let's head over to Kaylee and Morgan, who give us a look at this year's new teachers.
This year, Killenly High School has welcomed quite a few new teachers to our faculty. Here's a look at who they are.
My name is Mark Newman, and I'm excited to be here teaching algebra. I'm teaching College Prep Algebra 1, College Prep Algebra 2, and Essentials of Algebra. The most rewarding part of being a teacher for me is watching a kid that feels like they were not able to pick up material all of a sudden have that eureka moment. I absolutely love the idea of being able to help others, and that is why I'm here today.
My name is Ms. Colston, and I teach Spanish 1. I hope to bring a fresh point of view, some new ideas, and hopefully for some students, someone that they can come to when they need help in class or out of class, whatever they need. The most rewarding part is definitely when a student who didn't understand it before finally gets it because of you.
Students at Killenly High School can look forward to meeting our newest staff members, Ms. Colston, Mr. Biscuit, Mr. Barrett, and Mr. Newman. I hope we can give them all a warm welcome. For KTV, I'm Kaylee Ethier.
Thank you, Morgan and Kaylee, and a warm welcome to the new staff and faculty.
Now for a quick commercial break.
KTV would like to thank the following sponsors: Drock Trucking, Day Kimball Healthcare, and Rogers Corporation. Thank you.
Along with the new school year comes school safety. David and Evan bring us some tips to stay safe in the midst of the madness.
With the start of a new school year often comes new changes, and this year Killenly High School made some major changes to improve school safety.
So the changes that we've made from last year is to add security guards and increase the hall monitors' time in the building. So we have 2 security guards that overlap, and they are retired state troopers. And then we added 2 hall monitors, which are 40 hours a week each, and they overlap each other at the beginning of the day, the end of the day, and we also have everybody at lunch, which has been a huge change.
Assistant Principal Mr. LaFave talks about the physical changes of the school so far.
When we as an administrative team came on 3-4 years ago, we added lots of cameras. So we have that observation, and that helps to deal with issues as well as prevent issues. We recognize that having more staff on campus would be helpful. And so that's part of the continued discussion is, okay, now we have more cameras, now we have more staff. So then what's the next thing we can do to make the campus a better, safer place for kids to learn and come and be productive?
New hall monitor, Miss Sanford, explains how her experience with the students has been so far.
I love all the kids. It's been really fun. I love interacting with you guys during lunches and just having good conversations and making connections.
We hope this new school year is a good one and a safe one. For KTV, I'm David Duati.
Now we'll head over to Ari with our local weekend weather rundown. Thank you, Sue. Friday brings us a high of 73 degrees, perfect for a blackout football game. Dress warm as the temperature will drop and anticipate a fun and cozy night. Saturday and Sunday bring us what could be the last taste of summer, with a high of 76 degrees both days. The high wind chill may make it the perfect weekend to start your fall festivities. Happy Friday and have a good weekend. After long and hard discussion on the new school mascot, Carly and Ari get us some inside information.
Redmond pride may be a thing of the past here at Killingley High School. As of last spring, a new light has been shed on the Redmond logo. Due to the derogatory demeanor, Killingley will soon be sporting a new mascot. John Cresswell, senior football captain, talked to us about what it meant to him to grow up as a Redmond.
I grew up playing Redmond football in town my whole life, and we always had an arrow and a feather on our head, and it was just something to look up to, look forward to, becoming a Redmond football player. Because I've been in this community for forever. My parents grew up here, and I never once have I heard it used in a derogatory term or in a derogatory way or anything like that.
Athletic Director Kevin Marcoux talked to us about how the mascot has been a reoccurring issue and how they are beginning to make the change.
It's been an issue for years, actually. I mean, for probably before I've been here, it's come up at the Board of Ed level. You're going to see Red Gal and Redmond logos on uniforms for probably 3 more years, and then they'll be cycled down to the JV uniform. So that's going to be around. We just planned accordingly. We knew that the change was probably going to be coming, so we were pretty conservative with what's on the uniform, sticking to just Killingley at this point.
Marcoux also gave us his opinion on what the new mascot should be and represent.
Personally, for me, I'm looking at something that we can have that we can certainly be proud of and rally around and have a really cool logo that kids are going to just really embrace.
Whether it be Redhawks or Razorbacks, the mascot change is in your hands. Make sure you vote when the names are released so your voice can be heard. The results will be announced October 9th for the Board of Education to approve. For KTV, I'm Carly Seifert.
Sue and Julia have a Hot Girl summer skit that may include hydro flasks and scrunchies. Let's head over there to see what that's all about.
OMG, can I sit here? I literally cannot find any of my friends. And I oops.
Absolutely not.
Okay, great. What are you listening to?
Tame Impala. Ever heard of them? Wait, you know what? You probably listen to Shawn Mendes.
And oh my God, how did you know? I love him.
What?
Is that a plastic water bottle? Have you ever heard of Save the Turtles? You know what? It's okay. You can have my hydro flask. It's what the turtles would want. Don't even worry.
What do the turtles even do for?
Do you want my metal straw too? Honestly, don't even worry about it. Wait, are you not wearing your puka shell necklace?
No. I'm not into basic things. As you can tell by my shirt, I'm not like other girls.
Yeah, aren't you emo?
What? I'm an e-girl. The chains.
So, emo? I thought that trend died a while ago.
I thought the basic white girl trend died in 2013.
OMG, that's so mean.
And you're so annoying.
At least I don't have issues. And I oop.
You did not just go there.
I did, and I oop. Maddie and Billy have been hard at work at KTV's new game show, What's in the Box? Check it out.
Hi, I'm Madison, and we're playing What's in the Box. Our first contestant today is Riley, and our second will be Cam. For every item they guess right that's in the box, they'll gain a point, and whoever wins in the end gets a free Dunkin' Donuts gift card from Durand. Our first item is...
Ew. Is it slime? No. Oh my god, this is gross. You're telling me this isn't slime? That thing that makes a fart noise in the cup?
No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Okay, you can look at it.
Oh my god, what even is this?
It's a snake. Our next contestant is Cameron Crowe, and our item is...
Oh. What the heck is this? This is like, I can't. This is like the goo, the fart stuff, the stuff that you stick your hand in. Oh. It's like, I really, I don't know how to explain this. This is like the goo that you play with as a kid. You win at like Dave & Buster's. It's got beads in it though, which is nasty. Yeah, that's my guess.
Woo, okay, now it's 1-0 Cam, and you get to see what's in it. You got it right.
Oh.
Now back with Riley. Okay, our next item is
what is it? This is. Why is there like multiple? Oh my god. I don't. What is it? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. This isn't slime, right?
No.
Not slime. Is it like, I don't know, some sort of like animals? Yeah?
Yeah.
Do I have to guess the animal?
No.
Like,
Okay. I have to give that one to you because I don't think you'd be able to guess what these are. So now it's 1-0 for you and Cam. Now we're gonna bring Cam back in for round 2. Now this is the last round. The score is 1-1, and the next item is
Orbeez.
Oh
That's
my.
easy. That's easy. I know Orbeez. I've been using
There's no way. There's no way. Okay. Well, that was a fast round.
That's too easy. That's too easy. Come on.
That was a fast round, so now we'll do the bonus round, and whoever wins this wins the Dunkin' Donuts gift card. For the third round, each contestant has to put one hand in each side of the box, and whoever gets it first gets 10 points. And the item is... Oh, you what the?
I think it's a bloody foot.
Bring in the.
I would have never guessed what the heck that was.
No,
though.
me neither.
So this is our final round, and the winner gets 10 points. And the item is...
Is it a skeleton?
How are you supposed to know that?
Yep.
Skeleton head. Dang.
You win the Dunkin' Donuts gift card, Riley. Woo! Thanks for watching. Tune in next time to see what other games we have. Is that good?
Nikki and Alyssa bring us a taste of Hollywood with their pop culture segment.
Next month marks the 2-year anniversary of the Me Too movement. This shift in social independence has affected people on all fronts, and recently author Julia Brown released a Forbes article talking about the changes we have seen. She says the worst thing that can come out of the Me Too movement is that we stop talking and listening. Conversations about the changing status quo can be awkward or often uncomfortable, but they are essential to our process.
Brown continues to inform us that 51% of men believe that the Me Too movement has kept them more reserved and changed the way they date. Stephanie Rule, along with Brown, says women have never felt more empowered to be independent, and we couldn't agree more.
On behalf of KTV, we are proud to report the positive changes we've seen through the movement.
In other news, transgender YouTuber Nikita Dragun has rose to the top again. After Victoria's Secret ex-chief marketing officer Ed Razek spoke out on his views of trans women, saying trans women can't sell the fantasy, Nikita bounced back in a powerful video stating, "Dear Victoria's Secret, you said trans women can't sell the fantasies, so here I am." After heavy backlash and a clapback video from Nikita herself, she has come back to the fashion industry and is here to stay.
Earlier in the year, the 23-year-old graduate of the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising released her own cosmetic brand, focusing in on trends for trans women. During New York Fashion Week, the influencer spoke out about fashion companies not being inclusive enough and how she struggled to get a brand deal in New York.
After searching and scanning, she had her money set on designer Christian Cohen, who gladly worked with the icon and allowed her to do 5 different outfit changes in one day. This is a big deal and was a huge step for the trans community in fashion. Along with New York Fashion Week, Rihanna's designer brand Fenty recently had its Fall/Winter 2019 show. Its focus was on inclusivity, along with spectacular performances and many celebrity models, including some former Victoria's Secret models. Laverne Cox, another transgender woman and activist who stars in the original series Orange is the New Black, was also a huge role in the show.
Congrats to all trans women in fashion, and we are excited to see what's coming next.
Thank you for tuning in to KTV's first episode of 2019 year. To end our show, Cam and Ryan will give us an inside look at this year's football team. Let's get hype and black out the stands tonight.
I expect this team to come out tonight and play some physical football. I expect this team to unleash a lot of frustration. A lot of frustration. Okay? I expect this team to prove who you are. I expect the seniors to lead this team and start off on the right foot. Okay? They want nothing else than to beat a state champion quality or caliber team from Connecticut. They would rather have nothing else. Right from the get-go. You can't wait till the second quarter. You gotta set the tone right away. You gotta play physical football right off the bat and smart football. Take care of the football. No stupid penalties. Put your team first. Put what it says on the jersey first. We before me. Play as a team and play together. You take care of the ball, you're physical, and no stupid penalties will be okay. You do your job. Do your job. Our goal is to be 1-0. Wish you all the best of luck. Play your hearts out. And hopefully in about 3 hours, we are 1-0 and leaving the Ocean State with an ass kicking.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan. And shout outs on my niggas with escape plans. 20 bands, rain dance. We can either rain check or we can make plans. Pockets loaded, rocket loaded, can't let's rock and roll this. Time to go, lock, stock, and 2 smoking barrels locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, chop climbing on them. We think I'm jumping out the window, how I got them open. Line around the corner, line them up the block and over. Sometimes I even stop the smoking when it's time to focus. My shade, Dior, my pants, velour. Create, explore, expand, concord. I came